Hi, this is Nikki, and in this video I will be discussing how to delete a user and inactivate a staff profile when an employee leaves your agency. I will go through a brief overview of this two-step process. I will also discuss the security level requirements and where to access this deletion portion of your extended reach software system. And I will also go through step-by-step instructions in deleting the user ID and in activating the staff profile. So the two steps in completing this process are first deleting that user ID and secondly marking their staff profile as inactive. But first, your security level requirements that are needed will be that you are an agency administrator. And what that allows for is the viewing of administration on the left side of your screen, and under administration are organization settings. So we'll be dealing with staff profiles and user IDs. Let's go ahead and start with user ID. So click on user IDs. From here, you will just simply find the employee who has left your agency, and this is our example here, Betty Boop. So I will click on the blue hyperlink, and this takes me into her user ID profile. So all I'm going to do here is click on delete. So now what delete will do is this will remove all access from this employee to the software system. So once I click delete, it automatically saves when I press OK. So now if you look at my agency's user IDs, no longer is Betty Boop in my list. That's the first step. Now the second step, go back to organization settings, scroll to staff profiles, go ahead and find your worker again, click on that hyperlink. This time you just press edit. And within the general information, you will see the user ID. There is none for this worker, but the status currently says active. So all we want to do is change that to inactive. And by changing this to inactive, we will be saving everything Betty Boop has worked on within the system. And so if that information is ever needed for audits, we'll retain that information. What it will do, though, by inactivating her is no longer will her name show up in a drop-down menu on a case or a home. So from here, once we've selected inactive, I will press save. And now when I'm looking at my staff profile options, she is not in here. And that's it. It's already saved. So we know now how to what the two steps are, where to find the information in the software system, and what security level you'll require. Also the steps in deleting the user ID and in activating that staff profile. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if you need any support with anything else, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks and have a great day.